Hey y'all, welcome back to the Chewy Kitchen, where we make and decorate beautiful baked goods. My name is Taylor Chew, and today we're going to be using my favorite cereal to make a Lucky Charms cake.
The key here is you want each color to be placed on its own side of the bag. As you're putting the colors in, try not to mix them up too much. That way, when you squeeze them down towards the end of the tip, they'll stay their pure color, and then when you twist them out of the tip, you'll see those colors more brightly instead of turning into a mucky brown. I made 2 different color combinations for this step in 2 separate piping bags, so you can really have fun with your colors.
Ba-ba-da-da! Friends, you have to make this cake. It is so colorful and fun, and it even smells delicious. My name is Taylor Chew. This has been the Chewy Kitchen. Be sure to check out more of my baking and craft tutorials. Until then, I will see you next time.